President Emmerson Mnangagwa this week chaired both a political session on Wednesday and a Central Committee meeting on Thursday at the ZANU-PF headquarters in Harare, but critics say the gatherings reflected more rhetoric than real solutions to the currently deepening challenges. Sarabina Mash Koblanyi questions empty promises at party praise. Mnangagwa's meetings draw criticism amid national struggles. Don't subscribe or like on the bill icon. Opening the 391 ordinance session of the Polity Bureau, Mnangagwa framed the meeting as part of preparations for the upcoming Zimbabwe Independence Day celebrations, set to be held in Mafisa under the theme ZIM 846 Unity and Development Towards Vision 2030. Despite ongoing economic hardships and public dissatisfaction, the president emphasized unity and long-term ambitions, stating that unity of purpose should remain as a sound foundation for social development and urging an unwavering focus on realizing Vision 2030. However, observers argue that such messaging means hollow for many citizens grappling with the high cost of living and struggling public services. Mnangagwa went on to praise internal party programs, saying efforts to modernize structures were strengthening party structures, while also stressing the need to safeguard the fundamental principles of party supremacy in relation to government, a remark likely to raise concerns about the balance between state institutions and party control. He also pushed for intensified grassroots mobilization, calling for an aggressive and proactive approach and emphasizing the importance of strengthening party structures at village level as the backbone of support. Closing the meeting, Mnangagwa challenged party leaders to remain focused, committed, and results-oriented, insisting that improving citizens' livelihoods must remain central. Yet, for many Zimbabweans, such declarations have become familiar, raising persistent questions about whether these high-level meetings translate into meaningful change or remain confined to political messaging. Toma developments aripo. Panakome section medu za fungura aim out kudipa msaripi chitko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.